ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद भाष्य पेज नंबर 304 304। तो dharma is superior to kshatriya's balam, so dharma will do niyantrana of kshatriya, and there is nothing superior to dharma. So that was said, yad dharmo yo dharmas tasmat kshatrasyapi niyantritvat. Dharma is kshatrasya niyanta and dharmat param nasti, tena hi sarve niyamyante तत्कथम सृष्टिका अनुभवम अनुसृत्य परिहरति। अनुभवम अनुसृत्य, अनुसृत्य फॉलोइंग, अनुभव का अनुसरण करते हुए परिहरति। उच्यते अथो अपि अबलियान दुर्बलतरो अपि बलियान समात्मनो बलवत्तरम अपि आशंसते कामयते जेतुं धर्मेण बलेन। अथो अपि अबलियान दुर्बलतरो अपि बलियान समात्मनः बलवत्तरम अपि आशंसते कामयते जेतुम धर्मेण। जेतुम आशंसते कामयते, पर्सन हु इज वीक फिजिकली, दुर्बलतरः, बलियान बलियान सम आत्मनः, the one who is compared to oneself stronger, balavattaram, but he gets this ability to conquer, or he desires to conquer. On what strength? What strength? Dharmena balena.
Dharma.
Balam. On the strength of dharma, he says, means not actually he desires, but if he has dharma, he can conquer the balavan also with dharma. So dharma mahima is sung here. तदेव उदाहरति, दृष्टांत is given now. यथा लोके कश्चिद राज्ञा सर्वबलवत्तमेनापि कुटुंबिक एवं तस्मात् सिद्धं धर्मस्य सर्वबलवत्तरत्वात् सर्वनियंत्रित्वम्. तस्मात् सिद्धं is a different sentence. Udaharan is only this much. यथा लोके कश्चिद राज्ञा बलवत्तमेन अपि कुटुंबिकः. This drishtanta here is not very spashta. In Vartika, this is made very clear, but that Vartika is not given here in Tippani. The Vartika explains in this way, that Just as in the world, one person is a kutumbika, means a family man, grahastha, and he wants to conquer another balawan person. So the first person is weaker, the other is stronger. But that weaker person, what he will do? He will take the help of king. So like if somebody very strong and he overpowers the weaker people, then that weaker people will go to king. With the help of king, they will defeat the strong person in the world. In the same way, so here Drishtanta is given this way. Yatha loke kaschid ragnya spardhamana iti shesha. Kaschid ragnya spardhamana balavattamena api kutumbikah बलवत्तरम अपि आशंसते कामयते जेतुम धर्मेण बलवत्तरम अपि आशंसते कामयते जेतुम. This is drishtanta. So from the previous line in the bhashya, that atmanah balavattaram api ashamsate kamayate jetum, its anvaya has to happen after kutumbika in drishtanta. With the help of king. In the same way, so what he did, he himself was not capable, but he used Raja. Like that, here somebody by himself is not capable, he will use Dharma to defeat the other person. So, Tasmat Siddham Dharmasya Sarva Balavattaratvat Sarva Niyantritvam. Therefore, Dharma is Sarva Niyanta. Tika. Ragnya Spardhamana iti Sheshaha. Ragnya स्पर्धमान सी टीका टिप्पणी धर्मात्मक बलाश्रयात् भूपम जेतुम उत्साहते एवं तथा अन्यत्रापि धर्मस्य उत्कर्ष सिद्धिरिति शेषः. धर्मात्मक बलाश्रयात् भूपम जेतुम उत्साहते. धर्मात्मक बल आश्रयात्, on the strength of dharmatmaka bala, he can win over another king also. Bhupam jetum utsahate. A common person. So in this way, dharmasya utkarsha siddhi is there. Dharmasya utkrishtvatvena niyantritve satyat abhinnatvam hetuantaram aha. धर्मस्य उत्कृष्टत्वेन नियंत्रित्वे सत्याद अभिन्नत्वम. धर्म इज नॉट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम सत्य. धर्मस्य उत्कृष्टत्वेन नियंत्रित्वे सत्याद अभिन्नत्वम इज द अनदर हेतु. हेत्वंतरम आह. यो वै सधर्मो व्यवहार लक्षणों लौकिकैर व्यवह्रियमाणः सत्यम वै तत्सत्यम इति यथा शास्त्रार्थता स एव अनुष्ठीयमानो धर्मनामा भवति. यो वै स धर्मो व्यवहार लक्षणों. दिस धर्म विच इज व्यवहार लक्षणः लौकिकैर व्यवह्रियमाणः. By the laukika people, it is vyavahriyamana dharma. And satyam vai tat satyam iti yatha shastrarthata. So, what is satyam? What is given in shastra is satyam. Then what is dharma? Sa eva anushthyamano dharmanama bhavati. That satyam, which is yatha shastra arthata, as it is given in shastra, स एव अनुष्ठीयमानो, when it is अनुष्ठीयमान धर्म नामा भवति, it is called dharma. So dharma will become vyavhar lakshana, and satyam is shastra pratipadita. This is further elaborated. टीका कथम धर्मस्य सत्यत्वं सही पुरुष धर्मो वचन धर्मः सत्यत्वम् इति अवांतर भेदात् इति आशंक्य आह. कथम धर्मस्य सत्यत्वं, हाउ धर्म है सत्यत्वं, कथम धर्मस्य सत्यत्वं सही पुरुष धर्मो वचन धर्मः सत्यत्वम् इति अवांतर भेदात् इति आशंक्य आह. Two things are there, two dharmas and two dharmis. पुरुष धर्मो धर्म, वचन धर्म सत्यत्वम अथवा सत्य. कथम धर्मस्य सत्यत्वम, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. आफ्टर दैट यू कैन पुट comma or question mark or whatever you want to put. How dharma is satya? You say sahi, saha dharma, purusha dharma. Purusha dharma, dharmi is purusha, purusha is dharmi. Dharma means dharmic acharanam. If you is the dharma, means is the attribute of this purusha. Similarly, vachana is dharmi. Satyatva is dharma of that vachanam. Here they have given dharma means yagadi rupo dharma. Dharma means yaga, purusha dharma. So purusha is dharmi and he has dharma. What is his dharma? Yagadi rupa. Just elaborate. Dharma means, we generally think dharma means any auspicious, pious activity. Here it is made more specific. Yagadi. And vachana is dharmi, has satyatva as its dharma. Iti avantar bhedad iti ashankyaha स एव अनुष्ठीयमानो धर्म नामा भवति. स एव धर्मः, यागादि धर्म अनुष्ठीयमानो धर्म नामा भवति. और स एव सत्यम, स एव वचन धर्मः पुरुष धर्म नामा भवति. What is the vachana dharma? What is vachana dharma? Satyatvam will become anushthiyamana dharma, purusha dharma, yagadi. Means what is there in Shastra now will be performed by people. Yathokte viveke loka prasiddhim pramanayati. In this viveka, loka prasiddhi is there. What is the loka prasiddhi? Yasmad evam tasmad satyam yatha shastram vadantam vyavahara kale ahuhu. Samipastha ubhaya vivekagnya dharmam vadati iti prasiddham laukikam nyayam vadati iti tatha viparyena dharmam va laukikam vyavaharam vadantam ahuhu satyam vadati. Yasmad evam, since such is the case, tasmad satyam yatha shastram vadantam. Somebody who is speaking satyam. Satyam means yatha shastram. Yatha shastram vadantam. व्यवहार काले आहुः, people who are समीपस्थाः आहुः. समीपस्थाः means मध्यस्थाः. मध्यस्था उभय विवेकज्ञाः. What is उभय विवेक? धर्म and satya means शास्त्रार्थ and लौकिक व्यवहार. Both of these, those who know. उभय विवेकज्ञाः धर्मं वदति इति प्रसिद्धं लौकिकं न्यायं वदति. धर्मं वदति, they say, oh, he speaks dharma. To whom they say? The one, no, to whom this ubhay vivekajnaha say? To the one who speaks satyam. Satyam vadantam ubhay vivekajnaha dharmam vadati, they say. Means the one who speaks satyam, they say he speaks dharma. And the one who speaks dharma, they will say he speaks satyam. He is saying right. We saw this yesterday. That is the explanation here. Satyam vadantam, if you remove other words, satyam vadantam, satyam means yatha shastram, vadantam, ubhay vivekajnaha satyam vadantam dharmam vadati iti ahuhu. They will say, he speaks dharma. Iti prasiddham laukikam nyayam vadati. लौकिकम न्याय मीन्स लोकानुष्ठानत्वेन. 6 नंबर टिप्पणी says लोकानुष्ठानत्वेन न्यायं वदति इति. तथा विपर्ययेण धर्मं वा लौकिकं व्यवहारं वदन्तम् आहुः सत्यं वदति. एंड विपर्ययेण धर्मं वा लौकिकं व्यवहारं वदन्तम्. एंड विपर्ययेण if he is speaking dharma, then they say satyam vadati. Dharma means laukikam vyavaharam. So in vyavahara, that's why I said dharma is good acharana. Yagadi will make it very specific. It is not laukika vyavahara. Dharmam va laukikam vyavaharam vadantam ahuhu satyam vadati. Satyam vadati means shastrad anapetam aviruddham vadati. That he is not saying something which is aviruddham. Means viruddham he is not saying. He is saying aviruddham. Means what is Shastra is saying, same thing he is saying. टीका. यथा शास्त्रानुसारेण वदन्तं धर्मं वदति इति वदन्ति. इति वदन्ति के उभय विवेकज्ञाः वदन्ति. धर्मं वदति. वदति कः? पुरुषः. एकवचनम is for that one purusha. वदन्ति बहुवचनम is for उभय विवेकज्ञ. तथा पूर्वोक्त वदन वैपरीत्येन धर्मं वदन्तं सत्यं वदति इति आहुर इति योजना. Therefore पूर्वोक्त वदन वैपरीत्येन. So earlier is सत्यं वदन्तं धर्मं वदति. वैपरीत्येन धर्मं वदन्तं सत्यं वदति इति आहुः इति योजना. धर्मम एव व्याचष्टे. Now what is dharma? लौकिकम. लौकिकम न्यायम. लौकिकम व्यवहारम. Either way you can take. सत्यम वदति इति एतदेव स्फुटयति शास्त्रादिति. शास्त्राद् अनपेतं वदति इति. कार्य कारण भावेन अनयोर एकत्वं उपसंहरति. कार्य कारण भावेन between satya and dharma. Satya and dharma, between them what is karana?
Dharma.
No, you have to see the definition. Satya definition is Shastra Anusara. Yatha Shastrarthata. Shastrarthattvena Jnayamanah Satyam. So Satyam is Karanam. Because Shastra is Karanam. Then Vyavahar Lakshana is Dharma, is Karyam. What is said in Shastra, accordingly we will perform. So Karya Karana between them, Karya Karana Bhavena Anayor Ekatvam Upasamharati. So now there is Ekatvam between them, Satya and Dharma. There is Tippani 12 number. Satya Dharmayoho Purvoktah Karya Karana Bhavah Katham इति आशंक्य धर्मस्य सत्यं प्रति हेतुत्वं तावद् उपपादयति. धर्मस्य सत्यं प्रति हेतुत्वं. धर्मस्य सत्यं प्रति हेतुत्वं. What is the हेतु? धर्मस्य सत्यं प्रति हेतुत्वं. What is हेतु? This is given in this way. Dharmasya satyam prati hetutvam. So dharmasya hetutvam. Dharma will become hetu in according to this tippani. But this is okay. This is for the next line. So up to this karya karana bhava is this only. Satyam is karanam. Dharma is karyam. Etad यदुक्तम उभयम न्यायमानम अनुष्ठीयमानम च एतद् धर्म एव भवति. एतद् यदुक्तम उभयम न्यायमानम अनुष्ठीयमानम च. न्यायमानम इज सत्यम, अनुष्ठीयमानम इज धर्म. Both will become etad dharma. Means they will become dharma of that dharmi. Okay. Now he says, see in Tika further. Shastrartha samshaye shishta vyavaharan nishchayo yatha yava varahadi shabdeshu. If there is samshaya in, so karya karana first he has established. Karana is shastriya jnanam satyam. Karya is dharma. If there is doubt in shastriya jnanam, means how to understand this shastriya pankti, etc., then you should take shishta vyavahara to understand what is given in shastra. So shishta vyavaharat nishchayo shastrartha samshaya. In shastra, if I have ambiguity, then I will use shishta vyavahara. Okay, here this is how we should understand. Drishtanta they have given. So then in that case, Shastra Vyavahara will become Karya and Shastra Pratipadanam will become Karya, Shishta Vyavahara will become Karanam. That's why in that Tippani it is given that way. Dharmas Katham iti ashankya dharmasya satyam prati hetutvam tavad upapade. If Karya Karana Bhava is Purvokta, Purvokta means Satyam is Karanam, Dharma is Karyam, then how it can be other way? It can be other way in this case, when there is Shastra Sandeha. Means Shastra Artha Vishaye, Samshaya is there in that way. Drishtanta is Yava Varaha. So when Yava Shabda has more than one meaning or Varaha has more than one meaning, which meaning we have to take? Yava, so that's why Amara Kosha they have given. Haima Kosha. Yavo Dhanye Pruthak Kritau. Yava is in Dhanya also and Pruthak Karanam also. Varaha is Nanake, Kirau, Meghe, Meghe it is. Muste girau Vishnau iti. Earlier it was Medhe, but it is, it is Medhe, but it is, the line is there. So there we have to make a line. It is Meghe. Varaha is Megha. Medhe, there is no Medha. Medha is there. Meghe, you make it. Tippani, 12. So many meanings are there. You have to take what is the right meaning there based on some Shishta Vyavahara, etc. Dharma Samshaya. Okay, now what about, so Shastrartha Samshaya, Shishta Vyavahara. Dharma Samshaya tu Shastrartha Vashan Nirnayo. If there is Dharma Samshaya, Nirnaya will happen according to Shastra. Means how the tradition was, you see, when they had any doubt, they would listen to Shastra. Or if Shastra has some doubt, they will listen to Shishta. Now nobody thinks anybody is Shishta. Nobody thinks Shastra is important. Everybody just thinks, I know, and at the most I will check in Google. And that's it. That is the final answer there. Shishta means those who take Shastra as Pramana and perform Karya accordingly. This we have seen Shishta in Artha Sangraha. In Kiranavali Tika also same explanation came.
वेदोक्त अबाधित प्रामाणिकार्थ अभ्युपगन्तृत्वे सति वेदविहित अकरण प्रत्यवायक फलक कर्म कारिणः.
Karma?
कारिणः.
This came in Kiranavali.
Yes, Swami.
वेदोक्त अबाधित प्रामाणिक अर्थ अभ्युपगंतृत्वे सति वेद विहित अकर्ण प्रत्यवाय फलक कर्मकारिणः अथवा those who are mangalasya समाप्ति रूप फल साधनातांशे भ्रांति रहिता. This is there on page number 4 in your Kiranavali second line. So you can see. So those who have abadhita pramana buddhi in Veda, this is very important. Then they are Shishta. And they perform karma, Veda vihita, knowing very well, akarane pratyavaya is there. So such Shishta people, tesham acharah is called Shishtacharah. धर्म संशये तु शास्त्रार्थवशात् निर्णयो यथा चैत्य वंदनादि व्युदासेन अग्निहोत्रादौ. कह धर्म if some संशय comes. So चैत्य वंदना, चैत्य वंदनम, chaitya means the Buddha, his pratima is there, to do namaskar there, or other those who are avaidika. So here the 15 tippani it is given. Chaityam Jaina Mandiram Dad Devatava Tad Vandane Dharmatvam Apakritya Agnihotradav Dharmatva Nishchaya Shastrat Bhavati. So if somebody says Punya will happen through Chaitya Vandanam, they go round, there is a stupa kind of thing, or they rotate, those things are there, and they say this will give you some punya. So Shastra will say, no, none of this. Agnihotra, that will give you punya. Agnihotra, though. Tasmat dharmo. Dharmasya satyat abhede phalitamaha. So now dharma and satya have become abhinna. One more line in Tika. Ato hetu hetumad bhavat ubhayor aikyam iti bhava. Therefore, hetu hetumad bhava is there between dharma and satya. What is hetu and hetumad? Both. Dharma is hetumat when satya is hetu. Satya is hetumat when dharma is hetu. So ubhayo ho aikyam. Therefore, they are one. Dharmasya satyad abhede phalitamaha. When dharma is not different from satya, dharmasya satyad abhede kim phalitam aha. Tasmat sadharmo jnananushthana lakshanaha. That dharma is jnananushthana lakshanaha. Shastrajna nitaranscha. Shastrajna. Shastra nitaran is given. Shastrajnan itaranscha. Shastrajnan itaranscha. Only jna you have to add there. That's all. Shastrajnan. Shastrajna, Dvitiya Bahuvachan will become Shastrajnan. And itaranscha. Sarvan eva niyamayati. This dharma and satya will control everybody. Tasya sarva niyantritve api prakrite ki mayatam. Okay, dharma can control everybody. So what? Tasmat sa kshatrasyapi kshatram. Atas tad abhimano avidvans. Tad visheshanushthanaya brahma kshatra vit shudra nimitta vishesham abhimanyate. Tasmat sa kshatrasyapi kshatram. Dharma is kshatrasya kshatram. And tad abhimano avidvans. Tad vishesha anushthanaya brahma kshatra vit shudra nimitta vishesham abhimanyate. So that avidwan, tad vishesha anushthanaya, the one who has vishesha, now there will be vishesha anusthana. Avidwan means the one who doesn't know he is Brahma. For that person and the one who has this abhimana, I am Manushyadi. So in that you are Brahma, Kshatra, Vit, Shudra. In this way, some Vishesha is given so that he will perform Vishesha Dharma. Varna Dharma. Like if he is Brahmana, he will do Brahaspati Sava. If he is a Raja, Rajasuya. Like that. So only Vishesha Dharma he will perform. Brahma Kshatra Vit Shudra Nimitta Vishesham Abhimanyate. Abhimanyate, that kind of Abhimana he will have. Tika. Tarhi Yathokta Dharma Vashadeva Karmanusthana Siddher Varnashrama Abhimanasya Akinchit Karatvam iti Ashankya Aha. Tarhi Yathokta Dharma Vashadeva Karmanusthana Siddhehe. Because of Yathokta Dharma Vashad, Karmanusthana Siddhehe. he is able to perform the karma. Yathokta dharma vashat karmanushthan siddhi will happen. Varnashrama abhimanasya akinchit karatvam. Somebody says, why varnashrama abhimana is required? He says, no, ataha tad abhimano, atastad abhimano, that ata. धार्मिकत्वादि अभिमानो ब्राह्मण्यादि अभिमानं पुरोधाय अनुष्ठापकश्चेत् तद अभिमानोऽपि तथैव अभिमानान्तरं पुरस्कृत्य अनुष्ठापयेत् अनुष्ठापयेत् इति आशंक्याः. धार्मिकत्वादि अभिमानः, so somebody has this abhiman, I am brahmana kshatriya, and then there is I am dharmika. So dharmikatwadi abhimanah brahmanyadi abhimanam purodhaya. It will keep brahmana abhimana in front, and then I am following dharma also. So then anusthapaka. So somebody says anusthapakaschet tad abhimano api tathaiva abhimanantaram puraskritya anusthapayet. So then tad abhimanah api, that dharmik brahmana abhimana, that abhimana also tad abhimanah purushah bahuri samasa. Tad abhimanopi tathaiva abhimanantaram puraskritya. It will keep some other abhimanam in front, just as dharma abhimana person has to keep brahmanatva abhimanam in front to perform. Brahmanatva abhimanam will keep some other abhimanam in front. Puraskritya anusthapayet iti ashankya aha tani cha nisargata eva karmadhikara nimittani. Brahmanatva abhimana is naisargika और कर्म अधिकार, दे विल बिकम निमित्त. 30 नंबर टिप्पणी ब्राह्मण्यादीनि निमित्तानि. टीका न खलु अविदुषो धार्मिकस्य ब्राह्मण्यादिषु निमित्तेषु सत्सु कर्म प्रवृत्तौ निमित्तान्तरम अपेक्षते प्रमाणाभावात् इत्यर्थः. न खलु अविदुषः धार्मिकस्य, पर्सन हु इज अज्ञानी बट धार्मिक, अविदुषः धार्मिकस्य ब्राह्मण्यादिषु निमित्तेषु सत्सु कर्म प्रवृत्तौ न निमित्तान्तरम अपेक्षते. अनदर निमित्त इज नॉट नीडेड. ब्राह्मण्यादि निमित्त इज देयर. व्हाई? प्रमाणाभावात् इत्यर्थः. For keeping it in, other nimitta is not required to keep it in front of Brahmanatva abhimana. Brahmanatva abhimana is going to decide all your karma. Dharma, dharmic abhimana is going to follow Brahmanatva abhimana. Mantra, let us just see the mantra. Tad etad brahma kshatram vit shudras tad agnina eva deveshu ब्रह्मा भवत ब्राह्मणो मनुष्येषु क्षत्रियेण क्षत्रियो वैश्येन वैश्यः शूद्रेण शूद्रस्तस्माद् अग्न्यावेव देवेषु लोकमिच्छन्ते ब्राह्मणेषु मनुष्येषु ब्राह्मणे मनुष्येषु मनुष्येष्वेताभ्यां हि रूपाभ्यां ब्रह्मा भवत अथ यो हवा अस्माल्लोकात् स्वं लोकमदृष्ट्वा प्रैति स एनम् अविदितो न भुनक्ति यथा वेदो वा अननुक्तो अन्यद्वा कर्मा कृतं यदि हवा अप्येनं विन महत् पुण्यं कर्म करोति. तद्हास्य अंततः क्षीयत एव आत्मानमेव लोकमुपासीत स य आत्मानमेव लोकमुपास्ते न हास्य कर्म क्षीयते अस्माद्ध्येवात्मनो यद्यत् कामयते तत्तत् सृजते. Meaning we will see in the next session only. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।